find the nth terms of sequences, we first have to spot what are the numbers going up or down in. So 3 to 7, I need to add 3, 7 to 10, I need to add 3, and 10 to 13, I need to add 3. So it's going up in threes, so it looks like the 3 times table. So we write down 3n. Now, the 3 times table starts with the number 3, but our sequence starts with number 4, so I need to add 1 to 3 to get it to 4. Next one. So again, let's spot what the times table looks like. So 2 to 7 is add 5, 7 to 12 is add 5, 12 to 17 is add 5. So it's going up in 5s, so it looks like the 5 times table, so 5n. The 5 times table starts with number 5, but we need our sequence to start with 2, so I need to take away 3. On the other side, if we get given the nth term and we have to find out the first 3 terms, for example, of a sequence, well, to find out the first term, we just use n equals 1. So we do 4n, which means 4 times n, so 4 times 1 plus 3. 4 times 1 is 4, add 3 is 7. The second term, we use n is 2. So we do 4 times n, which is 2, add 3. 4 times 2 is 8, add 3 is 11. And look, our sequence should be going up in 4, so 7 to 11 is add 4, so that's right. The third term, we do n is 3, so we do 4 times 3, add 3. 4 times 3 is 12, add 3 is 15. Now the good thing about this technique is if we want to do the 50th term, for example, we just choose n equals 50. So we do 4 times 50, add 3. 4 times 50 is 200, add 3 is 203. Let's try one where it's a takeaway. So when n is 1, we do 12 take away 5 times 1. Now remember, with BIDMAS, we always do the multiply first. So 5 times 1 is 5, 12 take away 5 is 7. When n is 2, so the second term, 12 take away 5 times 2, 5 times 2 is 10, 12 take away 10 is 2. When n is 3, we do 12 take away 5 times 3. We do the times first. 5 times 3 is 15. 12 take away 15 is minus 3. Because 12 take away 12 gives us 0, and we've got 3 more to take away, so that's minus 3. And let's say we want to do the 10th term, so we use n equals 10. So do 12 take away 5 times 10. 5 times 10 is 50. So I need to do 12 take away 50. But 12 take away 12 is 0. And that leaves us with 38 left to take away. That's minus 38. Right, a grade C1, a really high grade C1, would include powers on the end. So let's try this one with 2n squared add 3. Now remember, n squared means n times n. So if we want to do the first term, so n is 1, we have to do 2 times 1 times 1 add 3. So 2 times 1 is 2, times 1 is still 2, add 3 is 5. When n is 2, we have to do 2 times 2 times 2, add 3. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 again is 8, add 3 is 11. And when n equals 3, I have to do 2 times 3 times 3, so that's 3 squared. 2 times 3 is 6, times 3 is 18, add 3 is 21. And for example, again, if we wanted n equals 10, we have to do 2 times 10 squared, so 2 times 10 times 10, add 3. Well, 2 times 10 is 20, times by 2 is 200, add 3 is 203.